How to change voice in Gemini application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your voice in Gemini application. So first thing, just head over to your Gemini application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So now just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner just like this, and from over here click on settings. So once you click on settings, you can see the option called Gemini's voice. So now I'll just be turning the voice off because Gemini will...
I'm excited to be your voice. If you like
So as you can see, that's the current male voice, so I will just change it. To change it, you can simply scroll it sideways. So let me just do it.
I'm excited to be your voice. Feel free to keep
Remember, you can always switch for if you're curious about the other.
So as you can see, that is exactly how you can easily change your Gemini's voice on your Gemini. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.